Ever had that heart-stopping moment when you try to log into your Kraken account and nothing? Or worse, you get a message saying your account is locked, or perhaps you suspect something fishy is going on, like unauthorized activity. It's a terrifying feeling, especially when you consider the value of your digital assets. In the fast-paced, often volatile world of cryptocurrency, losing access to your exchange account can feel like losing your entire portfolio. But before panic sets in, take a deep breath. You're not alone, and more importantly, there are clear, actionable steps you can take to regain control. Today, we're diving deep into the complete guide to recovering your Kraken account, no matter the obstacle. We'll cover everything from forgotten passwords and lost 2FA devices to dealing with a compromised account. We'll explore Kraken's robust security features, how they play a role in recovery, and crucial preventative measures you should adopt right now to avoid these headaches in the future. So, if you're a Kraken user or thinking of becoming one, this video is an absolute must-watch. We're going to empower you with the knowledge to navigate these challenging situations with confidence, protecting your hard-earned crypto. Let's begin with the most common scenario. Scenario 1, you forgot your password. This is probably the easiest fix, and Kraken has a straightforward process for it. First, navigate to the Kraken sign-in page. You can find this by simply going to kraken.com and clicking Sign In. Look for the Forgot Password link, usually located right below the password entry field. Click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Kraken account. Make sure you enter it correctly. Double-check for typos. Once entered, click the Send Email button. Now, head over to your email inbox. You should receive an email from Kraken with the subject Kraken Securities Password Reset Request. It's crucial to verify that this email is from the official Kraken domain, which is usually noraply@kraken.com. Be wary of any suspicious-looking emails that might be phishing attempts. Inside the email, you'll find a link to create a new password. Click on this link. Remember, this link is usually single-use and expires within a few hours, so act quickly. You'll be directed to a page where you can set your new password. This is your chance to create a strong, unique password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common phrases. Consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store your passwords securely. A quick but vital note, if you have a master key enabled on your Kraken account, you will be asked to confirm the password reset with your master key. This is an additional layer of security that prevents unwanted password resets even if your email is compromised. If you don't have a master key set up, now would be an excellent time to consider it once you've regained access. We'll talk more about master keys later. Once you've set your new password, you will receive a confirmation, and you should be able to sign in with your updated credentials. Simple enough, right? Scenario 2, you lost access to your two-factor authentication, 2FA, device. This is where things can get a little more complex, but still entirely manageable with Kraken's support. Losing your 2FA device, whether it's your phone with an authenticator app, a hardware security key, or even your SIM card in a SIM swap attack, is a common reason for being locked out. Option A, using your master key, if enabled. If you were proactive and set up a master key, you're in luck. Your master key can serve as an alternative method for signing in when your primary 2FA is unavailable. When you attempt to log in and are prompted for your 2FA code, there should be an option to use master key or something similar. Follow the prompts, enter your master key, and you should regain access. This highlights the immense value of a master key. It's an independent security layer that can save you a lot of hassle. Option B, no master key or lost master key, submitting a support request. If you don't have a master key, or you've lost access to it along with your 2FA device, you'll need to go through Kraken's official account recovery process. This typically involves submitting a support request. Here's how to do it. Go to the Kraken sign-in page and try to log in. When prompted for 2FA, look for an option like I lost my 2FA device or having trouble with 2FA. Click on it. This will usually direct you to their support page or a specific form. Alternatively, you can navigate directly to the Kraken Support Center. Search for "I can't sign into my account" or "issue with two-factor authentication" 2FA. You'll likely find articles that guide you to submit a support request. When submitting the request, select "I can't sign into my account" and then specify "issue with two-factor authentication" 2FA. Be prepared to provide as much detail as possible. This includes your registered email address, your Kraken username, if you remember it, details about when you last successfully accessed your account, information about your lost 2FA device, e.g., type of authenticator app, hardware key model, phone number, etc. Any recent transactions or account activities you remember. Kraken's support team will then guide you through the verification process. This often involves identity verification. You will almost certainly be asked to provide an account recovery photo, ARP, or account security photo, ASP. This is a photo of you, the account holder, holding your valid, unexpired government-issued ID document, like a passport or driver's license, and a handwritten note. The note will contain specific instructions provided by Kraken in their email, such as your Kraken public account ID, if known, the current date, and a specific phrase. Crucially, the text on your ID and the note must be clearly readable, your entire face and arms visible, and no part of your ID or the note should be covered. They might also ask for additional verification documents depending on your account level and the nature of the issue. This is a critical step for security to ensure only the legitimate account owner regains access. Email verification. They will send communications to your registered email address to confirm your identity and guide you through the next steps. Make sure your email account is secure and accessible. Security questions. You might be asked to answer security questions you previously set up, or questions related to your account history. The time frame for recovering your account through this process can vary. It depends on the completeness of the information you provide, the clarity of your verification photos, and the current volume of support requests Kraken is handling. Be patient and responsive to their requests. Follow their instructions precisely to expedite the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.